In today's fast-evolving economy, the quest for financial stability and growth is more challenging and critical than ever. With the cost of living soaring and traditional job markets fluctuating, finding innovative ways to boost your income is not just an option. It's a necessity. Imagine a world where your financial worries are alleviated, where you have the freedom to pursue your passions without economic constraints. This vision is achievable through a variety of proven strategies that have transformed the lives of countless individuals. From leveraging your current job to diving into the gig economy, the possibilities are as diverse as they are rewarding. Picture yourself negotiating a raise with confidence, freelancing on projects you're passionate about, or earning passive income from a side business. These aren't distant dreams. They are tangible realities for those armed with the right knowledge and tools. With recent data indicating that over 16.4% of U.S. workers are now part of the gig economy, contributing a significant $1.21 trillion annually, the potential for income growth is vast and varied. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore 15 innovative ways to increase your income this year. Your current job, amidst the backdrop of a shifting economic landscape. The power of leveraging your existing role has never been more pivotal. Recent data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics highlights a fascinating trend. Over the last year, average hourly earnings have risen by 4.7%, signaling a window of opportunity for those ready to advocate for their worth. The story of Jordan, an IT specialist who realized the potential lying dormant in his current position. After upskilling through online courses and taking on additional projects, he stepped into his boss's office armed with a compelling case for a raise. The result, a salary increase that significantly outpaced the national average, and a shift in his financial trajectory. Sometimes, the most lucrative opportunities are where we least expect them, hidden within the roles we already occupy. In the vast arena of the gig economy, freelancers are the unsung heroes. With a recent report by Upwork revealing that freelancers contributed $1.3 trillion to the U.S. economy in 2020, a clear testament to their pivotal role. Meet Maya, a graphic designer who transitioned from the constraints of a 9-to-5 job to the freedom of freelancing. Maya's journey is not just about the transition. It's a narrative of empowerment, flexibility, and financial independence. By harnessing online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, Maya tapped into a global marketplace, showcasing her skills to an audience far beyond her local reach. The result, a diversified income stream that not only matched but eventually surpassed her previous salary. Freelancing stands as a powerful act of self-determination, offering a path to reshape our financial destinies. The entrepreneurial spirit is alive and well, with the Small Business Administration noting a 24% increase in small business applications in recent years. This surge illustrates a burgeoning movement towards independence and financial diversification. Liam, an engineer with a passion for woodworking, nights and weekends, once spent in passive leisure, transformed into a bustling workshop where creativity met commerce. Liam's side business, born from a hobby, quickly evolved into a profitable venture through online marketplaces like Etsy and Shopify. His story isn't just about making extra income. It's a testament to the power of turning passion into profit, illustrating the entrepreneurial spirit's role in rewriting personal finance narratives. Starting a side business can be a key turning point in our quest for financial freedom and growth. The stock market stands as a beacon of opportunity, its allure woven into the fabric of investment success stories. Amid fluctuating markets, the resilience and potential for growth have drawn a new generation of investors, with a recent Gallup poll highlighting that 55% of Americans now own stock, reflecting an upward trend in participation. Picture Sarah, a teacher with a keen interest in personal finance. Initially intimidated by the complexity of the stock market, Sarah took a calculated leap, educating herself on the basics of investing. Starting with a modest investment, she focused on long-term growth stocks and diversified her portfolio. Sarah's journey from novice to confident investor mirrors the transformative power of the stock market in personal finance narratives. In the grand narrative of building wealth, real estate investment emerges as a time-honored chapter, its pages filled with tales of transformation and triumph. Despite market fluctuations, real estate remains a cornerstone of wealth building, with the National Association of Realtors reporting a steady rise in home values over the past decade, underscoring its resilience and appeal as an investment strategy. Imagine the journey of Alex and Jamie, a couple who stepped into the world of real estate with the dream of financial freedom. With diligent research and strategic planning, they purchased a modest fixer-upper, leveraging their skills to increase its value. This initial foray into real estate investment blossomed into a portfolio of rental properties, each offering a steady stream of passive income. Remember, real estate is more than just buying property. It's about investing in your future, brick by brick, property by property, dream by dream. In the digital tapestry of modern income generation, creating an online course has emerged as a vibrant thread, weaving together expertise and entrepreneurship. This avenue has seen exponential growth, with the e-learning market projected to surpass $375 billion by 2026, highlighting an insatiable appetite for online education. Consider the journey of Alina, a seasoned photographer with a passion for sharing her craft. Recognizing the burgeoning demand for digital learning, Alina channeled her knowledge into an online course, meticulously crafting lessons that mirrored her journey from amateur to professional. Her course, launched on a popular platform like Udemy, quickly attracted a global audience, turning her passion into a lucrative income stream. This chapter of our financial narrative celebrates the fusion of knowledge and technology, empowering individuals to monetize their skills and contribute to the ever-growing world of e-learning. In the digital age, writing and publishing an ebook has become a compelling chapter in the story of entrepreneurial success. The accessibility of self-publishing platforms has democratized the world of publishing, allowing authors to bypass traditional gatekeepers. With over 1.7 million ebooks published on Amazon alone in the last year, the market's potential is both vast and vibrant. Enter the story of Lucas, a hobbyist gardener who turned his passion for sustainable living into a best-selling ebook. Lucas's journey from garden to global audience encapsulates the essence of this digital revolution. By sharing his knowledge on organic gardening practices, he not only fulfilled his dream of authorship, but also tapped into a niche market, eager for his insights. In the vast landscape of digital entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing stands as a thriving metropolis, bustling with opportunity. This performance-based marketing strategy, where businesses pay commissions for referrals, has become increasingly popular, with the industry expected to grow to $8.2 billion in the US alone by 2022. Meet Mia, a fitness enthusiast and blogger who navigated her way through the affiliate marketing world. With a modest following on her blog and social media, Mia started sharing her favorite fitness products, equipped with affiliate links. Her authentic recommendations, coupled with engaging content, turned her passion into profit. Mia's story exemplifies the affiliate marketing journey, illustrating how trust and transparency with your audience can convert into a steady stream of income. Affiliate marketing can be a powerful tool in your financial growth toolkit, providing a passive income stream that supports your larger financial goals. Dropshipping, a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock, has scripted a revolution in the e-commerce domain. It's a model that has allowed entrepreneurs to start businesses with minimal upfront investment, a fact underscored by recent reports showing that e-commerce sales are expected to reach $6.5 trillion by 2023. Imagine Jake, who, after stumbling upon the potential of dropshipping, decided to launch an online store specializing in eco-friendly products. With no need to manage inventory or handle shipping, Jake focused on building relationships with suppliers and marketing his store. His journey from a novice to a successful e-commerce entrepreneur highlights the transformative power of dropshipping. In today's digital era, creating a YouTube channel or podcast has emerged as a narrative of creativity and connection, with platforms offering unprecedented opportunities to reach global audiences. As of 2023, YouTube boasts over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, while the podcasting world has seen a listener increase to more than 100 million people in the US alone. Enter the story of Ava, who launched a YouTube channel dedicated to minimalist living. With no prior video editing experience but a passion for her topic, Ava's authentic and engaging content resonated with viewers. Her channel's growth was not just about subscriber counts. It was about building a community and turning her passion into a profitable venture through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Digital platforms transform hobbies and interests into income streams, proving that with dedication, creativity, and a bit of strategy, anyone can become a storyteller and educator in the vast digital landscape. Diving into the realm of cryptocurrencies presents a thrilling chapter in the modern saga of investment, where the digital gold rush has captured the imagination of investors worldwide. As of the latest data, the global cryptocurrency market cap has soared, reaching unprecedented heights and drawing both seasoned investors and novices to its volatile yet potentially lucrative waters. Enter Chris, a software developer with a keen interest in blockchain technology. Initially skeptical, Chris's journey began with small investments in Bitcoin and Ethereum, driven by a desire to understand the market dynamics firsthand. His story is not just about investments. It's a narrative of education, risk management, and the thrill of participating in the digital currency revolution. Amidst the backdrop of fluctuating market values, the innovative spirit that fuels the crypto market, offering a unique blend of risk and reward for those willing to navigate its complexities. Stepping into the bustling streets of the gig economy, we find a dynamic marketplace where skills meet opportunity in the most flexible of settings. Recent data reveals that a staggering 16.4% of U.S. workers are now part of the gig economy, contributing over $1.21 trillion to the American economy annually. This shift towards freelance and contract work underscores a changing narrative in employment, where traditional job roles are reimagined. Imagine Leah, who after being furloughed from her office job, discovered the potential of the gig economy. Leah began as a freelance graphic designer, leveraging platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to connect with clients. Her story unfolds with each project, illustrating the gig economy's capacity to offer not just work, but a canvas for creativity and personal growth. In the colorful tapestry of the online marketplace, selling handmade goods or art offers a unique chapter where creativity intersects with commerce. The rise of platforms like Etsy, which reported a gross merchandise sales volume of over $13.5 billion in a recent year, illuminates the vibrant potential for artisans and creators worldwide. Imagine Sophia, a ceramic artist whose small studio in her garage became the birthplace of a thriving online business. Sophia's journey from crafting unique pottery pieces as a hobby to selling them to an international audience showcases the power of the internet to turn passion into profit. Her story is not merely about transactions, but about connecting with a community that values the beauty and authenticity of handmade art. Creativity plays a significant role in the economy, proving that with vision, dedication, and the right platform, artists can carve out their niche in the vast online world. Navigating the currents of the sharing economy, renting out property or assets has emerged as a lighthouse for those seeking financial stability through resourcefulness. The recent surge in platforms like Airbnb, which has facilitated over 800 million guest arrivals since its inception, showcases the robust appetite for personal and unique accommodation experiences. Meet Marco, a homeowner who transformed his rarely used vacation home into a bustling Airbnb destination. Marco's story is one of innovation and adaptation, illustrating how underutilized assets can morph into significant income streams. With guests seeking more personalized travel experiences, his property offered a sanctuary away from the impersonal atmosphere of traditional hotels. The possibilities that come with thinking outside the conventional job market, highlighting a path to financial empowerment paved with the resources we already possess. In the ever-evolving narrative of personal and professional growth, the pursuit of new skills stands as a pivotal chapter, illuminating paths to untapped opportunities and financial empowerment. The World Economic Forum forecasts that by 2025, 50% of all employees will need reskilling, highlighting the urgency and importance of continuous learning in today's dynamic job market. Enter the story of Nora, a marketing professional who recognized the digital landscape's shifting sands. Amidst the rise of digital marketing, Nora embarked on a journey of self-improvement, diving into online courses on SEO and social media marketing. Her proactive approach to learning not only expanded her skill set, but also catapulted her career to new heights, leading to promotions and new job opportunities. The pursuit of knowledge is both a personal investment and a strategic career move. By embracing lifelong learning, we can navigate the currents of change, unlocking doors to financial stability and career satisfaction. As you stand at the crossroads of your financial journey, remember that the choices you make today carve the path for your tomorrow. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.